All right, so I'm Jason Charlton from Expedient. If you haven't heard of us, we're a VMware-based cloud provider. So we are a full VMware stack. We like to say we're the largest VMware cloud provider in the nation. We focus on what we call enterprise cloud environments, and we're going to talk about that today. I provide everybody 7-day access to a lab environment. So everybody's got a username and password and a little packet of kind of some basic tasks, but you have full access to the environment to do whatever you want over the next 7 days. You guys are sharing an environment, so be nice to your neighbor. But outside of that, if you would like to have a dedicated environment, just reach out to me. I have many available that I can pass on to you directly outside the meeting. So just a little bit about Expedient. Not going to waste your time too much. I'm talking through PowerPoint. I'd rather help you at the lab if you have help, but we look at ourselves as an enterprise cloud provider. Again, basically powered based on VMware technology in comparison to some of what we call hyperscalers like an Amazon or a Google or an Azure. We sit in the same bucket with people like IBM and CenturyLink and Rackspace, and we've been around since the last 20 years. I've been working with VMware since before there was an I in ESX, so back in version 3, and we've been doing our cloud service since 2008. So we have, I don't know how many terabytes of RAM across the country, but we're VMware's Cloud Partner of the Year last year in 2018. We were at VMworld every year, so we have a booth there you can stop by. But the purpose of the day is kind of tell you a little about what we're doing and how we're doing it differently. We're going to focus on the cloud part of our VMware-based cloud stacks running the full software-defined data center stack that you'll have access to today. So we have 12 data centers across the United States, all the way from here to Pittsburgh, Baltimore, Cleveland, Columbus, Phoenix is the west, and now Memphis, Tennessee. Each of these data centers we own, operate, and staff 24/7, 365, and also our availability of our cloud platform. What enterprise cloud means to us is, it's a little different than everybody's used to, right? We all probably use vSphere here. Has anybody heard of vCloud? Right, so that's the service provider portal for VMware that we have access to putting on top of vSphere to give you that simple access web UI that you're probably going to be logging into shortly, automation, software-defined networking of NSX, software-defined storage of vSAN, and a full API access to do automation of your own, as well as our RBAC for user management. Both, sorry for the animations, a little annoying. Supporting multiple types of applications as well. So, while applications, and I heard some conversations around